Thank you, Tim. Michigan Governor Gretchen Whitmer signed the state's new red flag law that aims to keep firearms away from those at risk of harming themselves or others. She was joined by gun violence survivors, gun violence prevention advocates, and lawmakers. The package of legislation signed today will create extreme risk protection orders, which authorizes family, police officers, or medical professionals to seek a court order to temporarily keep guns away from someone who is a danger to themselves or others. So what do gun advocates say about this new law? 6 News reporter Nick Simon spoke with them today and says this new law goes too far. Nick?
Sherry, they say that taking a gun away from someone without hearing from their side of the issue violates some basic principles of our legal system. When the law goes into effect next week, it'll allow family members, police, mental health professionals, roommates, and former dating partners to make the case that to a judge that someone shouldn't have access to a gun. The judge would then make the decision to remove the guns if they believe the person poses a threat to themselves or others. But the advocates we spoke to say that getting your gun taken away without a day in court is a violation of basic rights.
Under a red flag law, an individual can lose their rights without due process. They are guilty until proven innocent, which is exactly the opposite of what is enumerated in our state constitution and our U.S. Constitution. You know, even though the governor's signing it today, it's very likely that this law could be thrown to the courts and could be struck down because, you know, when we look at our rights, due process rights matter.
The group we spoke with are putting their support behind a bill introduced by Senate Republicans this month that would take away the need for a concealed pistol license and remove gun-free zones from public spaces. It's not expected to go anywhere, but they say it's good for politicians to keep these issues in the public conversation, given that more than half the states in the country already have similar laws in place.